Hi there, this is Jacob, JacobLeVideoProduction.com, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram from a personal profile to a business profile. I'm also going to talk about the pros and cons of a personal versus a business account, as well as two amazing, crucial strategies for getting results using Instagram with your business. It'll be all this and more, so please watch until the very end. If you're new here, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified when I come out with new content. All right, let us get started right away. I have my phone right here, and I'm just going to pull up my Instagram. And you'll want to go to your personal profile. That's at the bottom right. And if you're already in a post, you may need to click the back and the top left corner. So all you'll do, you'll see three little buttons in the top right corner. You'll click that, and then you will go to settings down at the bottom to the right, and to account. It's the third from the bottom. And you'll see the little blue thing. For mine, it says switch back to a personal account because it's already a business, but it'll be switch to a business account. So are there any benefits of having a personal account versus a business account? Well, some people say that you get a lot more engagement and your posts are shown to more people with a personal account. Now, I wanted to see if this was accurate. I found a big study, and they found that the engagement is around the same in this year, in 2019. Now, this could change in the future. I know on Facebook you do actually get a lot more engagement with a personal account, and Instagram wants you to have a business account. If you're a business, they don't want you posting just constant business stuff while using a personal account. You cannot make a business account private. However, as a business, you would not want to do this. This would really cripple the amount of people your videos are able to reach. And there are a number of awesome strategies and tools you get with a business account. I will show these to you right now. You'll see two new things. So I'll go to my one post. You'll see to the left, view insights, and to the right, promote. Now, promote allows you to make your post reach a lot of brand new people. You can really set who it goes out to. So this allows you to expand. If you have a personal account and you post, you won't have the ability to show to any more people. It'll just be however many engage with it and are your followers or follow your hashtags. However, with promoting, you can send people to your profile or your website or your storefront or toward direct messages. The default is automatic, and for most small businesses, I do not recommend choosing automatic because you'll see automatic is Instagram targets people like your followers. Now here's the thing, with smaller businesses, a lot of times when we're starting out, we will get some people who are our friends and our families and who are not necessarily our top, ideal, amazing customers. Now, if you do automatic, it's going to take your customer profile and expand it out to people exactly like that. So it may be expanding out to people who are just like your mom, but your mom is not your ideal client, or at least the profile like your mom is not your ideal customer or client. So you can create your own audience. You can get incredibly specific. I can do a full tutorial on that if you would like, but that's as deep into this as I'm going to go in this video. And another amazing thing, you should definitely utilize this, is your insights. You just click view insights and you can swipe up and you can see the number of interactions for your post. So here's my most recent, 17 actions, 16 profile visits, 1 website click. You can see how many accounts were reached, how many impressions, which is the total amount of people who saw it. And this is really important, how many people saw your posts from the hashtags. Hashtags are a huge way you can reach brand new people. You should be keeping track of which ones get you in front of new people and the right people. I'm pretty happy with getting in front of over 400 brand new people as a result of the hashtags that I was using. So you want to be saving the ones that are working really well. And often when I do a post, I will go to the hashtags I'm using and see where my post is popping up. Sometimes you can get one that has a lot of engagement and viewers and yours is toward the top. And other times something may not have that much engagement and yours is way down. So keep track of these. I have a full tutorial on this. Click the card. I will have that come up in the top right corner if you want a more in-depth hashtag strategy. But just everything in the insights is important, from how many people are liking it, commenting. You want a lot of engagement, profile visits, website clicks. So I would briefly pull that up for every single post that you make. So I think it is absolutely worth it, especially if you're a business, to change from a personal profile to a business profile. You get all those tools, the ability to reach new people, and there really aren't that many benefits to having a personal versus a business. Now, I am here, I want to help you grow your business with Instagram. I've gotten a dozen clients through Instagram. I've helped other people get clients. So please ask me your questions down below. I'm happy to answer them. I'm happy to help in any way I can. And if you have any other things you want to know, I'm happy to make a tutorial. So leave a comment if there's something you want to know how to do as well. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the bell to be notified when I come out with new content. I have so many tips and tricks for small businesses working to grow their business using online strategies, using video, Instagram, Facebook, all of those things. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.